Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today, I am about to replace the traditional anode in my water heater into a power one. And this is the power anode with the power adapter. This is the box that I get from Amazon. It costs about $50. And you probably say, hey, that is more expensive than a traditional one. What's the point? Well, there are a few advantages of replacing it in this way, and that's the purpose of the video. Now, first of all, what is the actual reason for the anode? Anyhow, well, we all know it protects the water tank of the water heater from corrosion. But how does it do that? Now, if you know some chemistry, you will know corrosion means oxidation. It means that the water tank lose electron. So the anode is basically a metal like aluminum or magnesium because they lose electron a lot easier than cast iron. So they basically provide the electron to the water tank and say, hey, if you are going to lose electron, here are some electron for you. So the aluminum or the magnesium will get corroded way before the water tank. And that is the whole function of the so-called sacrifice anode, the traditional one. Now, they work quite good, but they are not as efficient because overall it is a metal to provide electron. What's the other way of provide electron? Sure, use a power adapter. And this is the whole point of a power anode. Basically, we just provide electrons to the water tank directly from a DC power source. That's it. So it will basically do the same job, but much more efficiently. And that's why typically people say a power anode will provide a better protection and it is maintenance free. You don't need to take it out and check because the tip, the electrode is titanium. They are not supposed to corroded inside the water tank at all. As long as you have power and you can check easily, then you are good to go and they can last for a few decades. So even though they are a little bit more expensive than the traditional one, in the long run, you save money for the anode itself. Also, obviously, you save money a lot more for the water heater. And honestly tell you, yesterday I took out my anode and it was only 2 years old. It was covered with deposit, and that's why I decided to upgrade. And by the way, if your water have rotten egg smell, this one will help you because the traditional anode will basically reduce certain chemical inside the water and produce some hydrogen sulfide, and that is the one produce the very nasty rotten egg smell. And by the way, that gas is poisonous. Of course, it's only a tiny bit, so you are fine supposedly, but still a very, very nasty smell. And so that's the whole point of doing it. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it because 2 years ago, I already have a video showing you how to replace the anode. It will be just the same, except that now this is the anode, and of course, you need to make sure that you plug it in with power. And that's all. I will give you a link in the description to the video from 2 years ago for you to look at if you do not know how to replace the anode. And of course, I will give you a link to Amazon to buy the same power anode in the description. So you do not need to search. There are more expensive options also if you want to go that route, and I will give you those options in the description. But for me, it really is just electrode with power. I don't see the point of spending 3 times more money than this one. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching this short video. I hope this is helpful for you. If so, I hope that you can like this video or even better, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.